oil today. And then also changed this coolant reservoir tank. It's leaking. It's been sitting for a couple days and it's still leaking. All of that coming from above. So I'm out here at the pit. So I got the coolant dropping below. It's coming out a little slow. Let it drip while I get everything prepped and ready. You can see the oil was coming out of here. And we took this off, but you want to take it off. You'll see it was all leaking, so let me get started. Alrighty, so I'm here. I'm getting the last bolt off. I believe this bolt is 16. It's the last threatening bolt in the shaft. Nut. Just pretty much destroying. I'll show you how I got everything undone here. It's actually pretty easy. It's not that bad. It's actually one of the easiest turbos that I've had to actually do. So just gotta do a lot of patching here. Turbo's pretty heavy too. So yeah, it's gonna be one that looks like this, not like that. And then you have 6-point half-inch bolts. I have 3. So after that, oh boy, there goes the turbo. Getting it. Turbo gasket. Gasket for here, and a new gasket here for the injector. So we have them here, one here, we have our turbo gasket here, we have the one that goes here, another more nuts right here, bender fitting washers. So, what I'm going to do is clean this off, clean that, and then I'm going to attach it here with some cleanup. So look at that. Look at this turbo. It's failed. So that's what was making that sound. And it was spewing out oil. So you can see every time it turned, it was letting oil out. And then if you look over here, you can see, yeah, the other side. when it's turning, sounds, you can hear it. So that is what a failed turbo looks like right here. So I'm gonna run it down to you on what to do, little tips. So right here is where the hydrocarbon dozer and everything goes. I had to take this part right here off to be able to get the nut on here off. So that's why that's like that. Coolant leaks out of here. It was going so bad where smoke was all, the burning oil was going through here. So I cleaned that off a little bit. So you're gonna have to take this off, 10 millimeter bowl. Then went ahead and took this off as well. I took this off from here, the oil slump off the bottom, because it was from here, because at the bottom of the turbo was a little bit hard to get off, and I just did not want to damage that. I wish I got a coalescent filter here so I could have changed that at a perfect time. But other than that, you know, you have your air box and stuff like that that you take off. Really simple. You have your Torx bits that go here. You have your bolts here. So these are the bolts that come off the turbo. This comes with a new nut. And then these right here are 13 millimeters that came from here. And then you have these two bottom bolts that'll sit with a bracket that goes right here. So that's pretty much it. One of the easiest turbos I've ever done. Not hard at all. So that's just a little walkthrough on that. Here's with the new turbo. You can see how you don't hear nothing. And then this is all nice and tight. So that's pretty much this. When you put this on, loosen that back there to be able to get this to flex so you don't damage this like I did. I'm gonna get a new one. So other than that, now I'm putting on this back. When we're filling back up the coolant, hurry up. Look at it, it's just about to rain out here. So let me try to go ahead and hurry up for it. So got it all going, truck's running and everything like that. Let me show you. Brand new turbo. We're all good. Let me check on the customer. Results, man. Results. That's how you do it. Results.